Hotpoint Refrigerator Repair Service in Dallas and Fort Worth specializes in Hotpoint refrigerators that consist of Hotpoint refrigerator freezers and Hotpoint refrigerators, Hotpoint French door refrigerators, along with all other Hotpoint models. Is your refrigerator not cold enough? Your Hotpoint refrigerator water dispenser is not working? Your Hotpoint refrigerator ice maker is not working? Your refrigerator's ice dispenser is not working? Maybe your refrigerator is not defrosting? Your refrigerator is noisy or loud? Possibly your refrigerator has defrost drain problems or is leaking water? We can help. Call us today at 214-260-7732.